Live from the world's capital markets, here are the financial headlines, brought to you by Legion Academy.
Hello and welcome to Wednesday's financial news. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The global economic outlook is even gloomier than projected last month, the International Monetary Fund said, citing a steady worsening in purchasing manager surveys in recent months. Cryptocurrencies pushed higher as investors awaited more details about an industry recovery fund promised by Binance Holdings Limited's Chief Executive Officer Changpeng CZ Zhao. Prime Minister Rishi Sunak joined other world leaders at the G20 today to launch the Indonesia Just Energy Transition Partnership. The UK stands ready to support delivery of the partnership, including through a $1 billion World Bank guarantee. The Bitcoin dollar pair exploded 1.4% in the last session. The CCI's positive signal contradicts our overall technical analysis. The gold gained 0.5% against the dollar in the last session. The stochastic indicator indicates an overbought market. Google's stock price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The RSI is giving a positive signal. The Aussie dollar pair rose 1% in the last session after gaining as much as 1.5% during the session. The ROC is giving a negative signal. The UK's core consumer price index will be released at 0700 hours GMT. The UK's consumer price index at 0700 hours GMT. Japan's exports at 2350 GMT. Japan's imports will be released at 2350 GMT. The US MBA mortgage applications at 1200 hours GMT. The US retail sales at 1330 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Wednesday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.